This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome back everyone. Today I'm showing you a next-level cybersecurity tool that can break down website security, analyze firewalls, and test how strong their protection really is. So, without wasting time, open your browser, visit my channel, then click on the bio and open the Terabox link. Okay, so click on Tool Market. Then you will see Categories. Click on Linux Tools. Choose the evilghost folder, then click Save to Terabox, choose the path, and click the View Now button. Now click on the Download button again. As you can see, the file has been downloaded. Next, go back to your desktop and open your Linux. I already have mine open, so I'll simply drag and drop the zip file into Linux. Now extract the zip file. Open your root terminal. Then navigate to the root folder and move the file there. Alright, now type ls to view the files. Install the required pip packages for the tool. Then run the script by typing Python followed by the main file name and press enter. As you can see, the tool is running successfully. And now you can view its clean and user-friendly interface. I've designed a simple menu for easy use. The first option is Quick Attack, the second is Advanced Mode, the third is for hunting the origin IP, the fourth is for finding WAF vulnerabilities, the fifth is TUI Attack Mode, and the sixth is Settings. Now, I'll select the Quick Attack option by pressing 1. Now enter the target URL or domain name, and the tool will begin scanning for WAF vulnerabilities. To continue with deeper scanning, enable Tor by typing yes. If Tor is not installed, the tool may prompt you to install it. Simply follow and confirm. Next, it will ask whether you want to use a proxy. If you have one, type yes. I'll do the same and provide the path to my proxy file. Once the proxies are loaded, type yes to launch the attack. Okay, as you can see, it has found the origin IP. If you want to continue scanning, type yes to get more information. As you can see, the tool has detected a possible SQL injection. I can't go into full detail here due to YouTube policy restrictions, but you can ask any questions in my Telegram channel. Alright, as you can see from the results, it shows around 77% success, meaning the attack passed and the site appears to be bypassable. This indicates the site has multiple vulnerabilities. You can also see SQL, XSS, and other hits listed above. Now, let's go back to the menu. To keep the video short, I'll give a quick overview of the settings by selecting option 6, where you can view the Tor configuration and more. These are all the available options and features, designed to be simple and easy to understand. The tool is user-friendly and suitable for both beginners and professionals. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoy exploring the tool. Thank you for watching. Be sure to show your support, and I'll see you soon with another exciting video and tool.